In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send reminder emails in Pandadoc. Sometimes you've sent a document out for review or signature, and the recipient just hasn't gotten around to it yet. Instead of sending a separate email or message, Pandadoc gives you a quick way to nudge that specific person directly from the document itself. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to send a one-time reminder to a particular recipient using the built-in reminder option. Start by heading to your Pandadoc account and going to the Documents tab. This is where you'll see a list of all your documents, including drafts, sent documents, and completed ones. For this process, you'll want to work with a document that has already been sent, so look for the one you're waiting on and click to open it. Once the document is open, take a look at the right-hand side of your screen. You should see a panel that includes information about the document, such as its status and who it was sent to. In that panel, locate the section labeled Recipients. This area shows all the people associated with the document, along with their roles and whether they've viewed or signed it. Find the specific recipient you want to remind. Next to that person's name, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options or Actions menu. Click on those 3 dots to open a small drop-down menu with different options related to that recipient. From the options that appear, choose Remind Recipient. When you select this, Pandadoc will trigger a reminder email just to that individual, prompting them to review or sign the document. This is especially helpful when you don't want to bother everyone, but you do need a gentle nudge sent to one person. Once you've clicked Remind Recipient, Pandadoc handles the rest in the background. The recipient will get an email that links them straight back to the document, making it easy for them to complete their part. You don't need to rewrite the message or track anything manually. That's all there is to it. By using the Recipients panel and the Remind Recipient option, you can quickly send a focused, one-time reminder to exactly the person who needs it right when you need it.